Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your iPhone. First, head over to the App Store and download the free Roblox application. Make sure your device has at least 200 megabytes of free storage space. Once installed, you can either create a brand new account or log in using your existing username and password. Always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection, whether it's Wi-Fi or cellular data, for the best gaming experience. After downloading, setting up your account is straightforward. Pick a unique username and create a strong password to keep your account secure. Remember to verify your age. This helps ensure you can access all the content suitable for you. Once logged in, take some time to explore the home screen. You'll find many popular games and experiences, and the search bar is super handy for finding exactly what you're looking for or connecting with friends. Now for the fun part, joining a game. From the Discover page or your favorites, simply tap on a game you want to play. Look for the large green play button and tap it to jump right into the action. Once inside, you'll use the virtual joystick on your screen for movement. To change your view or look around, just swipe your finger across the screen. It's intuitive and easy to get the hang of. To ensure the smoothest Roblox experience, here are a few tips. Always close any other apps running in the background. This frees up your iPhone's resources. Keep your operating system updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility and performance. For a truly immersive experience, try using headphones. And finally, keep an eye on your battery life, especially during longer play sessions, so the fun doesn't stop unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.